Hey guys, how you doing? Jay with Liberty Ring Creations. What's good? What's good? So today we're going to do a probably just a little short video. I'll show you guys around the shop, tell you about my favorite tools, because I was really excited to use some of this burl that we found on the burl hunt. But as you can see, this goofy thing here, unfortunately I had a kitchen accident last night and cut myself pretty bad. So I'm not going to try and make a ring today. So we thought we'd just give you a little shop tour and show you some of the tools I like to use. We will put together a top 3 or top 5 tool list, which is really hard to do because I use most of them, but there is some tools that I really can't live without. So I guess we'll get to it, guys. We'll show you the shop.
So here's my 12 by 14 shop. It's a shed. Drill press, chop saw. There's the lathe that I started on. Some sandpaper, my vacuum pump. This is my main workbench. Arbor press, ring stretcher. There's some of my dies, my punch. Little doodads. This is mainly for coin rings. This is the bench that I started on. The left is a quarter collection, some of my coins I collect, some copper, some silver, and just some clad stuff in there. Always need hammers. This is my upgraded mandrel, but the first ring I made was a hammer and mandrel ring. Wasn't easy, didn't look pretty. This is a lathe. This is what I use most lately.
So if I had to pick 5 of my must-have tools, that's really tough because I use almost every tool in this shop on a daily basis. I would have to say, and again, it's going to depend on the ring I'm making, but definitely the ring stretcher for any coin work I'm doing. It'd be hard to live without that and go back to hammering on a mandrel. So definitely that would probably be, I don't want to say number 5, I don't want to put them in order of importance per se, but that one is very important. The drill press would be hard to live without. When I first started, I was doing it with a cordless drill before I even had a lathe, and I was trying to sand stuff on a little rubber stopper on a cordless drill and made a few rings like that, quite a few. But it could be a little painful to sit there with a drill, and so definitely that would probably be number 4. Number 3, I would say, is my sandpaper and glues, stuff like that, because most of the rings would be impossible to make without those things. Number 2 is probably, as far as coins go, probably my torch. Can't do coins without a torch. And I would say number 1 is the lathe. I can do a lot without a lathe and have done a bunch without a lathe, but it's made my life a lot easier, and I've become more creative with the lathe. It opens up a lot more possibilities for different designs for jewelry. So there you go, guys. I would say that's probably my top 5 can't live without tools. And we want to remind you guys, we really appreciate your support. You guys have been doing great watching and keeping up with the videos. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. Everyone be safe, and we will talk to you real soon.